What's up, guys? It's Network, and we're back with another video. And today we're talking about applying for a U.S. bank unsecured business loan. So it's a network, it's educational purposes only. So let's get straight into it. So understand the loan details. So the U.S. Bank Quick Loan offers loans up to $250,000 at a fixed interest rate. A lot of people don't know about U.S. Bank, but U.S. Bank is a great bank to get loans from. So this is an unsecured loan, meaning no collateral is required. Loan amounts for unsecured loans are typically up to $50,000 with repayment terms of up to 48 months. Interest rates vary based on creditworthiness, typically starting around 8.99%, but they may change based on the final approval. The loan is designed for business that needs funds for a variety of purposes, including inventory, accounts receivable, or operations. So check eligibility requirements. So your business must be at least 6 months old to apply. An active U.S. bank account is required to apply unless your business is located in specific states. So you can see the state-specific eligibility below. I'll try to put that in the description. If I don't, then I'll try to put the website in the description. So if you've recently had a credit freeze, unlock it with Equifax or Experian before applying. Businesses with multiple owners need to include everyone with a 20% or higher ownership stake in the application. So that's pretty obvious, guys. If you have any other owners, then their names need to be in the application. So review state-specific eligibility. So if you live in any of the following states, your business must be a U.S. bank customer for at least 12 months to qualify. So Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Dakota, Ohio, Oregon, South Dakota, Tennessee, Utah, Washington, Wisconsin, Wyoming. If your business is located in another state, you may need to wait 12 months before applying. So prepare your information. So before applying, gather the following details. The date your business was established. Your business must be open for at least 6 months, so keep that in mind. Your business industry code. So that is usually the code that you get when you're setting up your business. In most states, they have a business code that they give you upon setting up your business. So you just need to go look back at your filing when you started your business, and it'll have your code on there. The primary business address, primary business owner's information, if applicable, your employer identification number, EIN, a 3-month bank statement if requested. So sometimes that's requested just to see what your business cash flow is. So that's why I always recommend people to make sure that you do all of your necessary transactions, educational purposes only. But usually you do all of your necessary business transactions through your business account. You don't want to miss any of those transactions because that adds to your cash flow for your business, which puts you in a better position to get approval for things like this. So initiate the loan application. So go to U.S. Bank Business Loan section and select the Quick Loan option. Click Learn More to review the loan details, and then click Apply Now to begin the application process. So then you enter your personal information as usual. So provide your personal details, including full name, email, and mobile phone number, date of birth, social security number, and personal address, employment status, and personal income. So you give them all that information. And then you provide your business details. So input your business EIN, main office address, indicate the purpose of the loan. So inventory, accounts receivable, or operations. Operations or inventory are always good. Select your business structure. So corporation or LLC. Most of you guys are probably going to be LLCs. So provide your business start date. So must be at least 6 months old. So keep that in mind, guys. And this is why I always tell you on all the videos that I make that you need to make sure that you're starting your businesses. Even if you're not ready to start operating, you need to start aging these businesses so you can be able to apply for these loans when they become available, because they're going to become available. And if you're not ready, then it's going to be an opportunity missed. So include your role in the business, ownership percentage, and revenue for the previous fiscal year. So confirm additional information. So answer questions about how the loan will be used. So you'll need to have pretty much a good sense of how you're going to use the loan. And if you need help with that, you can message me in the link below, the Telegram link below, and I can kind of walk you through how to answer that question if you get to that process. So provide your business revenue and other financial details. Once again, just be accurate, as these figures will be verified during underwriting. So you want to make sure that the business revenue matches up with at least your statements, your bank statements. So you want to make sure that your revenue matches up, because they will be doing underwriting, because this is a loan. So loans have underwriters. So submit and wait for review. So after submission, you may not receive an immediate decision. It can take up to 2 days for a hard credit inquiry to occur, and they're going to check your business out. They may check your website out. They're going to look your business up. And this is why we talk about make sure you have a website appearance. Make sure that you have your public records for your business, your 411 setup, things like that, your phone number set up, etc. A specialized email. All these things matter when it comes to an underwriter. So a U.S. bank representative will contact you to confirm your information and possibly request additional documents such as bank statements. The loan might also undergo additional checks with the SBA or other relevant bodies before final approval. So they may just check and make sure that the EIN lines up. They may also check the documents, like they said, such as bank statements. Bank statements are where they kind of make sure that your revenue matches up. And that's why I told you before, make sure that your revenue matches up with your bank statements. And make sure your bank statements accent what money you're touching, guys. So all money that you're touching should be going through your business account. If it's not going through your business account, you're not helping yourself, guys. You are hindering yourself because you're not showing that you have that capital available. So a lot of processes are going to hinge on your how much capital you have available. And if you don't have a lot of business credit, then they're going to heavily rely on your capital, and that is going to go back to your statements. So loan approval and funding. So if approved, the loan funds will typically be deposited into your business account within 2 to 3 business days. The interest rate may vary based on your credit profile, and repayment terms will be provided upon final approval. So the money usually comes pretty quick, guys, and it's really pretty instantaneous. So once you get an approval, it takes a couple days. You'll get it that same week. It'll go straight into your account. If you qualify for special programs such as SBA-backed loans or the Business Diversity Lending Program, this may be reflected in your loan terms. So repayment and loan terms. So be aware of your loan's repayment schedule, which will be detailed when the loan is finalized. For instance, you may choose a repayment term of up to 48 months, but shorter terms, like 24 months, may improve your chances of approval. Consider setting up automatic payments from a U.S. bank account to lower interest rates or access additional benefits. Early repayment can minimize interest costs, so plan accordingly to repay within a few months if possible. And additional considerations. So in eligible industries, avoid applying if your business is involved in payday lending, auto title loans, or other restricted industries, as this will result in automatic denial. Specialized programs. If your business is woman-owned, veteran-owned, or minority-owned, you may be eligible for the Business Diversity Lending Program, which supports underserved communities. SBA guarantee. If you qualify for an SBA-backed loan, it may make approval easier. You may need to submit bank statements or provide evidence of liquid assets if they exceed 5 times the requested loan amount. So final approval and document submission. After submission, expect a confirmation email and a phone call from a U.S. bank representative for verification. You may need to submit additional documents such as bank statements as part of the review process. Once everything is verified and submitted, you will receive final confirmation and be notified when funds will be deposited into your account. In my case, it takes around 7 to 10 business days from application to the whole process being finished and receiving the funds. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this process, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Subscribe to us on Telegram. If you have any questions, methods, guides, trade lines, CPN files are also available. Also, follow the Signal group. That is our backup group, just in case anything goes down on Telegram. We have the Signal group, so follow us on Signal as well, and we'll be back on the next one.